Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome back to Simply Nikwa. In today's video, if you haven't read from the title, I am going to test out different ramen noodle pasta. Yes, I said that and you heard me right. I am going to test out some ramen pasta noodles that I have never picked up before. This is the main ramen noodles, the chicken flavor, orange package, top ramen that I always eat all the time. But today I decided to pick up some ramen noodles that I have never tried before of different brands and give you a taste test of what that's all about. So I have 4 top ramen that I'm going to taste today and see which one will win and see will be my new favorite or if there will be a new favorite. So if you want to continue watching, go ahead and sit back and relax. Go down below, subscribe, like, and comment. But let's go ahead and cook some ramen. So before I start cooking, here is the different ones that I've got that I'm going to taste for you guys today. The first is the Casiboa. I'm saying that all wrong, but it's this one and it's the spicy chicken flavor. And yeah, let's see if it's good or not. The other one that I have is the regular main chicken flavor in the same brand, so let's see how good that one is. The next one that I'm going to try as well is the chow mein teriyaki chicken flavor. It has the chow mein noodles, green beans, carrots, and bok choy with a teriyaki sauce included. So look at that. I'm going to try this yummy noodles as well and see how good of that is. And the last one that I'm going to try is the stir-fry Korean barbecue flavor cup of soup like this, and hopefully let's see which one is good or which one's bad. So let's go ahead and start with the first and the spicy noodles. First, I always give it a smell test of something new that I never ate before. I always smell it first. It definitely smells spicy. It has, to me, it smells like some Doritos. So hey, that's what it smells like to me. So for the smell test, I give it a, I mean, it's not bad, like a 7 out of 10 noodle bowls. Oh my god, okay, so this is a very good, like, this is like 10 out of 10 ramen noodle bowls of taste, and I just love it. Like, it's hot but not too hot, and it's just like a slight spicy. Like, I'm good with spice and spicy food, so it could be variation from person to person, but I'm loving this one. It tastes amazing. Like, I could eat a whole bowl. It's like, this is good. You know, as you eat it, yes, your mouth gets warm, but that's the greatest thing about spicy food. It definitely has that tang when you finish eating it, and it's that spice back your throat. You know what I'm talking about? Like, that's the kind of spice it is when you're eating it. But I am loving this pasta right here. Like, I could eat a whole bowl of this and be okay. Like, this is great. So next, I'm going to go ahead and try the main original chicken flavor of this brand, of the spicy brand that I'm just now eating, and see how good this original chicken brand is compared to the spicy one.
I know something's up because you call me. Wonder if I see it in your eyes. You just wanna hear me because you're lonely.
Here's the second one. So let's see the smell test of this one. It smells okay. It's not like amazing smell, you know, but I will give it, you know, another 7 out of 10 of smell, I would say. So let's see how it tastes. It definitely It tastes good. It's not like I won't eat it. It has like corn in there and some other like greenery stuff that I don't know what's in there, but it's in there. It's definitely edible. But I will give the taste test like a 6 out of 10 ramen noodle bowl score. It's okay, but it definitely doesn't beat the spicy one, and it's just like, you know, a bland flavor. It's not that tasty, but it's still good to eat, you know what I'm saying? And don't worry, whatever I don't eat today of these noodle bowls, I am going to eat throughout the week and throughout to the rest of the days, so don't worry about that. But the next noodle bowl I'm going to try is the chow mein teriyaki chicken noodle. So let's see how this one tastes. Here is the next ramen noodle bowl. So this is the teriyaki chicken from the chow mein noodles. So obviously the noodles are different. They're the chow mein noodles, which is exciting to taste. Let's do the smell test first. It definitely smells like teriyaki. I do love a good teriyaki chicken when I get from Panda Express, so that's why I got this one to give it a good taste. For smell, I say this teriyaki chicken ramen noodle bowl is like, you know, 7.5 or I'm like 6.5. One of those two. I can't pick between them, but yeah, it smells like teriyaki. So let's see what it tastes like. It's a peculiar type of taste. I don't know if I like the teriyaki on the noodles, and I definitely don't taste the chicken. I mean, it's definitely not bad. It's a good taste, a good flavor, but I don't know how I feel about the teriyaki on my noodles. I just don't know how that is for me. So for taste, the number of ramen noodle bowls I will give this, it doesn't do anything for me, even though I'm trying to get the taste, so I'm getting more as I talk. So I would say 5 out of 10 ramen noodle bowls for taste. So yeah, it's definitely not bad at all, but it's just I don't know how I feel about it really. So that's why I scored it that way. So next, and the final ramen noodle bowl that I'm going to do is the stir-fry Korean one. So let's go ahead and make this one and see how this one tastes. Here's the last one. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Looking good. So first, I'm going to tell you the experience I had when I opened the lid just to put it in the microwave. When I opened the lid, it had a strange smell, and I smelled it some more, and it smelled like coffee at an airport. That's like how I could explain it. I don't know why it would smell like coffee, but it smelled like coffee to me. So yeah, so now I made it, and it just had this strange smell, and I didn't like the smell, and I don't like the smell right now. So the taste might not be good, but let's do it. It's like 1 out of 10 ramen noodle bowls. Okay, I do not like the smell. I'm sorry. It's supposed to be a Korean barbecue, lovely, you know. I just don't like the smell. It could taste wonderful, but right now I just feel like with the smell, ew. But let's see the taste. I can do this. I can do this. It's just pasta. Come on. Right. This is something. I don't know how I feel about it. Like I am eating it, but it's not like my cup of tea for pasta. I don't know if I would pick this up again. That's the thing. It's and I don't feel like it's a barbecue flavored. Like I don't know about this. How I don't know. I'm stumped, as you can tell here. So I will, for taste, if smell is 1 to me, taste I'll give like a 3, really a 3. Okay, So yeah, I can't even eat anymore to give you more description of what this tastes like. It's a 3 and it's like below average. Obviously, if you like this, go ahead, like it, eat it, love it. But for me, no. So the winner of the ramen noodle taste test for me is that spicy, lovely spicy noodles from Kowasabi, however you say that brand, and it's that spicy chicken flavor, which I love. It is lovely. It came in with a 17 score altogether with taste and smell combined, the points combined, and came in 17th with number 1. So that is the winner. Yay! This was definitely a cool, fun little taste test. I'd never tried to taste any other kind of top ramen than the main orange package top ramen here, and I always love that one, and that's like my go-to. The spicy one could be my next go-to for just something different to eat of ramen noodle world. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was like a cool fun type of video to watch and see, and yeah, I hope you try some ramen noodles yourself, different ones than you have ever tried before. It's definitely a cool fun little experiment to see which one else you like. So thank you so much for watching this crazy little video, and go down below if you're new here, subscribe, like, and comment, all that good stuff down there, and I'll catch you back next week with an amazing video. Bye.
I know something's up because you called me.